Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more stylish and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, trendy haircut and eye-catching hair dye, and so beautiful overall ideas in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And in today's my collection, some ideas in fine hairstyle, and some collection too short, wave and curl on hair, and so beautiful ideas of haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas in step, some ideas in layered. Mostly ideas in undercut. And many much more beautiful ideas of eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde. And gold blonde, and so beautiful collection of burgundy color, black color, gray color, light brown, dark brown. So beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color with dark base color. And so beautiful collection of funky color with light base color. And many much more cute and very pretty collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very attractive. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.